안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to introduce how to make a delicious kimchi seafood pancake. It's a versatile flavor that is savory, crispy, and so flavorful. Let's go ahead and get started. Cut a handful of green onions into 1-inch size pieces. Thinly slice half an onion. Also finely chop the washed ripened kimchi. If you have a red chili pepper, slice it thinly, but you can skip it if you don't have one. Cut the peeled shrimp in half. Remove the internal organs in the shrimp. If you have a squid, cut it into appropriate sizes. But if you don't like a squid, you can use other seafood you like. The ingredients for the kimchi seafood pancake are now ready. This is Korean pancake mix buchimgaru, which is often used by Koreans for making pancakes. Put 1 cup of it in a large mixing bowl. If you don't have it, you can use all-purpose flour instead. This is the frying mix for cooking 튀김가루. Put 1 cup of it in the same bowl. When you mix them, the pancakes become crispier and more delicious. If you don't have a frying mix, you can use cornstarch instead. When you make the batter, use cold water to make the pancakes crispier and more delicious. I will use about 1 3/4 cup of water. Don't pour all the water at once, but gradually add water to adjust the thickness. Whisk well until the batter becomes smooth and creamy like this. Now add all the prepared ingredients to the batter and mix well. Let's cook the pancake now. Put about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a preheated pan. Put in an appropriate amount of batter and spread it evenly and thinly. I think it's more delicious to make it thin rather than thick. Cook each side over medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the bottom is golden brown and crispy. I will flip it over once. Be careful not to splatter oil if there is oil in the pan when flipping over. Ta-da! It's cooked very crispy. If you need more oil after flipping over, add a little more. Cook for another 3 minutes until the other side is golden brown and crispy as well. Ta-da! It's cooked very crispy. Once it's fully cooked, put it on a plate. Cut the pancake into bite-sized pieces when served hot with your favorite dipping sauce. Wow, this is so good. The combination of the kimchi and seafood is just perfect. I hope you guys try making this at home and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. I'll see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.